Hey guys, so I've got some exciting news to share with you guys. That's the reason I'm making this video. So we were contacted by Altium, Altium Designer. If you don't know Altium is probably one of the best PCB programs that there is, in my opinion. So they were nice enough to give us a license so that we can show you guys more about Altium and teach you guys how to use Altium. So as you guys have been following us, we've been doing a lot of PCB tutorials, Sunday night live streams. So that's where we make a PCB design together. So from now on, we will use Altium Designer. I think that's pretty cool because if we look at in the industry in the world, most industries are using Altium and things like that. So we are very excited. And Altium was nice enough to give us a code. So if you follow the code, you can get a free trial. If you're a student, you can get up to 6 months for free, I think, and then get discount after that. So please click, I'll make a description below, and Instagram, there will also be a link, or I'll show you guys now. I'll add it to this video. Oh shucks, it's not Corona. I think it's something I swallowed. Oh, I got that out. I promise you it's not Corona. Oh, good timing. So yeah, we are extremely excited about this. So as you know, our goal as Plumpot is just to show people about PCB design, and especially people who's never actually done it before. So it's more for the beginners, the people wanting to start getting into it, and I think this is a perfect opportunity. So if you're a student out there who wants to get ready for the real world, I think this is a perfect opportunity for you, as we will be making many designs using Altium. This also means we'll be able to go to 4 layers, 6 layers, 12 layers, which is pretty cool. Make flexible PCBs. The options are endless. So guys, please just look at the link below, click it, follow the steps, and you can get a free trial from Altium. And then join us every Sundays for a live stream. We'll make tutorials on YouTube, on Instagram we'll do snippets. So the goal is to teach you guys more about PCB design and how to use Altium in a real world situation. Guys, we are so excited. I hope you guys join us for the journey. Just stay and I'll show you guys what to click, where to click, and how to click. Thanks guys. So yeah, as I mentioned earlier, you'll be able to get the link below in the YouTube. But if you're watching this on Instagram, then you can just go to our bio. So there's Plumpot Official. You can see all the PCB design stuff we've been doing. It's been pretty amazing. So yeah, we'll be doing tutorials and all that stuff. But to get the link, you just click on Linktree, and that should open. So on the computer or the phone, and then you can see. So there, free Altium trial. If you guys want, please join our Discord as well. This is where we just chat with one another, building the community and give each other help. So if you're building a project at home and you're getting stuck, we're about 100 people now. Unbelievable. 100 people, can you believe it? And then you can just drop us a message there, and the community will help you. So this is really a community thing for us. It's just not all about us. So yeah, the YouTube, and this is just a Plumpot Academy thing we are busy with. So yeah, once you click there, and then it'll just ask you a bunch of questions. Are you already using it? No, I'm a student. And then you can 6 month free. So it just fills all in, and then it'll be sent to Altium, and then Altium will give you a license. How cool is that? 6 months is quite a lot, eh? So in 6 months we can do a lot of PCB designs. So yeah, who knows, guys? Please let me know if there's any problems. If you're struggling with something or anything, just shout out, message me on Instagram or whatever. Guys, we are extremely excited. And one last thing before I leave. So all the designs I did in KiCad, you can actually take a KiCad design and import into Altium. I will make a nice tutorial about that in more detail. But that means the drone that we did, the macro keyboard that we did, all the designs that we did as community, I will convert to Altium files as well. So we'll have both on GitHub. Guys, and if you want the PCB design files, just join our Discord channel. The links are there. All the designs are freely available, open source. So you can order it yourself. I am still busy with the drone. So hopefully this weekend I can see what I can do. I ordered some motors. They're taking a bit long. So Sunday we're either going to finish the drone or carry on with the macro keyboard. If there's projects you guys want to see in the future, let us know below in the comments, and then we can put on a list, and then start ticking off project by project by project. Guys, have a great evening. Have a great weekend, wherever you are in the world. We are very excited. If you want to join us, push the like, subscribe, all that stuff. And then I'll see you guys every Sunday at 12 p.m. GMT +2 or Central European Summertime, or 15:30 Indian Standard Time. We're a big community from all over the world. Guys, sorry, I'm chatting too long. Bye.